5 helmet mistakes that you might be making, and yes, some of them without even realizing it. But don't worry, we are here to fix it. Number 1. Wearing the wrong size. A helmet should feel snug, not too tight and not too loose. If it moves around when you shake your head, it's too big. And if it gives you a headache, it's too small. A good fit is firm and comfortable. That's the first thing you need to check when you buy a helmet. Number 2. Not locking the strap. Seems very basic, right? But still, so many people forget this. Just wearing a helmet is not enough. If the strap isn't locked, it won't protect you properly. In case of a fall, the helmet can come off, and that's the last thing that you want. So always remember, fasten the straps every single time. Number 3. Wearing it too high or too low. Some people wear their helmets too far back, like a cap, and others pull it down over their eyes. Make sure your helmet sits straight and the front is just above your eyebrows. That gives you a clear vision and better protection. Number 4. Using an old helmet. The helmet might seem good from outside, but with time it starts to wear out. Most helmets should be replaced after every 4 or 5 years. You can check the manufacturing date inside the helmet, and if it's too old, it's gotta go. Number 5. Not cleaning your helmets. A lot of people like you do not clean their helmet, and the helmets get sweaty, dusty and smelly. A clean helmet is not just better to wear, it also lasts longer. Wipe the outsides, clean the visors, and if the paddings are removable, wash them too. Keep it fresh, your nose will thank you. That's it for today's video. And don't forget, if you take care of your helmet, it will take care of you. And as always, stay safe and ride smart.